Hi guys, Luke from Lucas Cars. Today we're back, something a little bit different today. Gone out and bought a welder. This is a Draper gasless MIG welder. Not done anything with welding before, but it's something that I feel like I need to learn. So we're kind of the only way to do it is by the only way to learn it is by doing it, I suppose. So I've basically gone the budget route of what I can afford really. So this is like 120 quid. Gloves are like £6 or something, or like gloves anyway, and then just a cheap helmet which is like auto dimming. That was 30 something pound from Screwfix, so nothing crazy. It's like less than 200 for all of it basically, which is pretty good, I would say. Obviously I don't know how good the equipment is yet, not that I'll be able to judge that because I haven't done welding before, so I'll just be kind of just going with it really. I've been watching a lot of videos of how to do it. Obviously there's a difference between watching it and doing it, so I'm going to unbox it all and you're going to watch my poor experience of figuring out how to use a welder, so enjoy. So after like half an hour of just kind of reading through the instructions and stuff, there's like a reel inside basically with the metal which you can see sticking out the tip of here. We basically set that up, we fed it through, and then this is like a test piece. We're not physically welding anything together, but it's more of just because I've never used it before, just kind of seeing what it does and trying to just figure it out really is the main thing. Because it's all new, so I don't really know the crack. I've seen videos and stuff, but just kind of documenting the first time doing it, so let's give it a go. Safe there? Yeah. I don't know how it is. Slower. That's looking better. So I just wanted to sort of document where we're currently at with it. So we kind of obviously started this side of doing some, which have been, I think, okay-ish. I mean, it's very spitty and stuff for what some of it's been. Like, I got quite a good-ish one there. We tried welding an item, that looks an absolute nightmare. But that was just kind of a lot of it's been playing with the settings and just figuring out how it comes out and stuff. You can kind of just see the nightmareness of what's going on. But I've got somewhat of something going on now, so you can kind of see like that was kind of like an okay-ish thing. I mean, you're kind of trying to do like little techniques of like how I move it about and stuff, because I know some people just like slowly drag it, or you can do like little circles or try to, which that's what I've tried to do, like there, kind of there, but then there's like too much coming out, but it's somewhat doing it, I would say. Obviously it'd be better if I could try and actually weld two items together, because obviously rather than just going on like a piece, and this is questionable as well because it's quite rusty, so it's actually quite tricky to get onto, but so I'll just let you know where we're at and how we're getting on. Quickly, so the first thing I wanted to try, with the Hydro, if you're familiar with what the crack is with this, swapping out the cylinder on it because it was seized. But before, it actually like it didn't really snap, but it bent back, so it basically split here. And we've had a bracket on it since, just bolted on because we didn't have to weld. So I can kind of sort of weld, not to an amazing extent, but I think enough to just have a practice where it doesn't matter too much visually of what it looks like as long as it holds. So I've bent it back so it sits almost bad. I might bend it a little bit more before I do it, and then just put a bit of weld on. I've sanded it down with like a grinding disc and see how it goes. You can already see the pre-existing weld that was on it, which is also questionable, so it doesn't really matter how it looks, but that's what it looks like now, and I'll show you what it looks like after. So this is what we've got, which isn't awful. The Hydro's got its new cylinder bit in there, which was a bit of a pain to get in because there's a bolt you have to get underneath there, which is a bit tricky, but that's the weld that we dealt with, which obviously is not going to be amazing because I'm not a welder man, but I think as a first thing it looks sturdy and it's done what it should do, so I'm a happy boy, and it's straightened out properly now, so that should hopefully be sound. I'm probably not going to do too much else currently now welding wise, but that was the start. there's a Lewis, a wild Lewis.
Just head boy the roll cage.
Oh dear, you're not claiming on me, pal.
Big insurance claim.
No chance. I will tie the video up there though, because I don't want to ramble on for too far, but I just wanted to show that I got a welder, and that I'll just be starting doing bits in the future as and when I learn and do little projects and stuff. So I've got a little couple of bits in mind. Yeah, I showed them that earlier before I did that bit, so thanks for watching. Hopefully it was slightly informational and enjoyable. So till next time guys, catch you later.